The chemicals, exposed to intense heat, finally reach the point of combustion.
Ooh, that's going to be loud. The magnitude of that sound when it reached us was still extremely large for something that had traveled over a mile.
You can't tell me people got out of that.
Oh no, there's got to be hundreds. Hey, you got that?
But the destruction has only just begun. Minutes later, 2 smaller explosions rip through the desert.
Oh, there's another one. Well, they had all that fuel stored up, and then another one.
You could see people actually literally running through the desert, trying to just get away from Pepcon.
4 minutes after the initial blast, the 4th and largest explosion erupts from the factory. The explosion is so intense, the shockwave vaporizes a nearby factory and registers 3.5 on the Richter scale.
It was just like a wall of water coming at you. And I remember it literally picking me up off my feet and never touching the ground. I mean, it literally picked me up and threw me at least 40 feet.